So I got up this morning and was going to go out and start cutting because I've got these last two fields to cut, and basically it was so wet I had to sit around and wait on this to kind of burn off, and it's still kind of wet, but I think it'll be good enough for me to still cut. Got the crew up there ahead of me getting ready to find some kind of rabbit or something, make sure they clear the roadway of rabbits. Look at all the dang sunflowers. I hope cows like to eat dried up, belled up sunflowers, because that's what they're gonna get. That's what grows out here when you can't get your crop growing very well. I don't know where the crew's going, but I'm not going that way. I'm going this way. Every time I go somewhere, they gotta go hunting. See if I scurry something up. Yeah, look at where these dang cows have been coming in and out. Right there in this big old hole. Pretty much, I mean, this top wire is connected to the hot wire. They're ducking underneath this second wire. Anyway, we're gonna replace all that crap anyway. I'm tired of the wire gates. They don't seem to work too well. So, Kayla and Ryan, you guys did a really good job on this gate. I think it needs another wire in it, but all those extra posts I think would normally help. But with that wire on the bottom being such a gap, that just those little short calves are just jumping in there like it's nothing. So you can really see where I had planted BMR around the edge, because it looks like I hadn't planted anything at all. There goes Chase. There's Hazel. Anyway, if you look, it looks like I didn't plant anything at all on the edge. It's all tumbleweeds, but I actually did. Actually, there was probably some BMR, mostly BMR, in the bottom of the seed box. So you can tell that if I would have planted that everywhere this year, then none of this would have grown. I wish I had time that I could let this grow out, but I have a deadline to meet. I've got to have this wheat planted by the end of the month, and it's already gotten so late. We got rain so late this year. I don't have any choice but to go ahead and cut it, bale it up, because it looks like we're going to have a good winter wheat crop, which will really help with the food situation on the cattle, as they'll graze it, and it's much better than just hay anyway. I'm a little bit concerned about this thing because I just got it back together and I'm not real sure. I feel like it'll be fine. I just, you know, when you first go back out with it, it's always kind of makes me nervous. But check out all these sunflowers. This is just crazy. Of course, this side of the field didn't do too well. It just was so wind burnt here, but most likely I'll cut these outer edges and I won't even get the bale in, which is fine, because I mean they're not really going to eat this. But I'm cutting it, and if it's in the hay, it's just going to go in the bale. They'll just not eat it, you know. It'll just be on the ground after I feed them. Okay, so I've gone another couple of rounds, just checked the cutter and it looks like it's holding up, so I'll crank it up. Full speed, well it's not quite 540, but I cranked it up enough to where I think it'll cut a little bit better. I've got to use stragglers. It's still real wet, that's the problem I've got. I have this really small window to get this done, and if I don't get it done, then I won't be able to plant everything like I should. It'll take too long, I think. So anyway, hopefully this stuff here will dry by the end of the week. I'm going to have enough another probably one extra day to dry, and I'll have to rake it probably, midway, because normally it'll dry without me really having to rake it, and then I can just rake it the day before. But I think it's going to have to sit after I rake it probably another day for it to completely dry. But anyway, it looks like there's some pretty decent hay up here. This flat section up here, if it gets enough rain, does okay, but it's short. That's the only problem. It's all short. Almost done. It's been a long day in this field. I'm going as fast as I can possibly go at a whopping 6.2 miles an hour in hopes to get this done before supper. And of course, it's about the time for the calves to be climbing into the fence and getting in here, so I'll have to chase them out. Look at them little turds out there. They think they can step in my field and eat whatever they want. I'm going to kick them out as soon as I'm done. Oh, I see how they are now. They're just getting cocky. Getting cocky. Look how close they are. They're going to be sorry in a minute. As soon as I get this done, a couple more passes, and they're in. That's it. This is the last pass. Look how brazen. Look at these little turds. Let's see what they do when I start chasing. You better get your butt out of here. Bunch of them over there too. I think they're trying to gain up on you. Oh no, you keep running. You keep running. Look at that. Gotta get him something to eat. Get your butt out of here. I think that might be Kayla's little cat. That one in the middle is bad. Comes here. Reinforcements over here. Alright, push them out, get out of here. Definitely need to fix that. There's a whole gang of them right there planning something. They're all planning something bad. Got another one in here, Dad.
Let me tell you something, that is wrong. The people of Texas, we are grateful to stand with the men and women along. Now, ladies and gentlemen, when he voted, he didn't...
You can't get rid of me under that tree, dummy. No, you can't. You can't get rid of me under that tree. You big dummy, you gotta get out. Look, they're gonna try to stop and eat instead of get out. They know they're bad. They know they're bad. Put it out. You years when Heather's raised. She's a bad girl. Bad. Anyway, I got the kids coming. Yeah, look at these turkeys. Look at all these turkeys. Now they're figuring it out. There was absolutely no way I'd have been able to get out there. They just ran in. So now she's coming back because she wants to eat. You wait, I'm turning that thing back on and you won't want to do that again. Uh-oh, we got a bullfight. Got Niner and Dopey. Y'all better not be fighting, okay? I don't need somebody getting hurt out here. Are you hungry? You want to go eat? Huh? You need to go eat, boy. Okay, finally, my son to the rescue. Renton Ryan. See, this looks like crack cocaine, man. These things will do anything for you. These cows will do anything for you. It's dangerous around this time. Gotta be careful. Gotta be careful. Oh, let me in here. Uh-oh, she's already so hungry. She's slobbering. Hey, you gotta give me some room.